And here we see something that's always fun. More hardware coming in to deal with. My name is Martin Hejnfelt and I'm a development engineer for Newtec in Odense. Newtec makes weighing and packaging machines for the food industry, but also for more or less any other industry where you weigh and you package. We package coal, fish, carrots, shrimp, lollipops, potatoes, chocolate and whatever. I've been working with technology and everything since I was about 7 when I got my first computer, which was a Commodore 64. Basically since then I've been working with technology, I've been working with electronics. And this is one of the interesting things about Newtec is that we take pride in being backwards compatible. So our electronics is always designed with the past in mind, so that we are sure that even though a customer has a 30-year-old machine, we can help them and we can either update the machine or we still have the components as they had 30 years ago. We help you have a machine for more than 1 year or 2 years. This is a machine that you have for life, more or less. And so this is really what I love about the job here at Newtec. We have a lot to say. As employees, we have a large impact on the technologies we use. So this is where the magic happens. And as you can see, a lot of magic happens apparently. The thing with the desk, I can't explain why it looks like this, because but it looks like my desk at home. Some will say that this is because I'm a messy head. Having all this stuff everywhere is normal for me. The software that we make is comprised of some sort of Lego blocks, so we can make all types of machines with all these Lego blocks. So actually this machine, which is a weighing machine, and this machine, which is a packaging machine, although they do two completely different things, they're based on the same software components. For me, it's having technology around me. It's in my DNA to mess with technology, to tinker with electronics.